Hello, welcome to the channel, House Animals. Trivia and facts about farm animals. Horses are plant-eating herbivores. They were domesticated over 5,000 years ago and have around 205 bones throughout their body, and they can run around 44 kilometers per hour. Cows live in herds and consume about 15 kilograms of food. They chew for up to 8 hours by moving their jaws 40,000 times in a single day. Pig. Despite their reputation, pigs are not dirty animals. They eat everything from leaves, roots, fruits, rodents and small reptiles. They are among the smartest domesticated animals and are considered to be even smarter than dogs. Sheep. These beautiful animals covered in wool. Sheep have excellent eyesight. They can look back without turning their head as their vision is almost 360 degrees. Dog. The dog is as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. A dog's sense of smell is 100,000 times more powerful than that of humans. Calf. The calf is able to get up and walk in less than an hour after its birth. Its first meal is 4 liters of milk provided by its mother to the cow. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world. They have flexible bodies and teeth adapted for hunting mice and small rodents. Chicken. The more chickens on Earth than people, about 25 billion, chickens don't fly very well. Can fly high enough to climb over a fence or even climb a tree. Goats have an interesting way of digesting their food. They chew some food they swallow and then spit it back into their mouths to chew again. This helps them to ensure they get all the energy they can from their food. Duck. Ducks are primarily aquatic birds that live in both freshwater and marine. Its feathers are highly resistant to water. Even when the duck is swimming, its skin remains completely dry. Bulls mainly eat hay, silage, and grass, weigh an average of 800 kilograms, are aggressive. When they feel in danger, they lower their heads and wave from side to side. Thank you for staying with us this far, and until our next video.